Hello everyone, and welcome to video number 4 this week, and this is my Kraft-Mas card series. Today I'm going to be doing I suppose you could call this a make a fuss card. If some of you aren't familiar with that term, it's when you have to do a bit more. The cards are a bit more involved. I'm going to be doing a 5x7. All my cards this week have been 5x7. You do this if you recreate this in any card size that you wish. I'm going to be using this snowflake woodblock stamp, and it's from Hero Arts, and it is a gorgeous stamp. And I'm also going to be using a Made It stamp set, and this is Wonder, and I'm going to be using the flurry, maybe some of these solid flurries, and the word peace. I've got a 5x7 white card base, and I've got my insert, my craft colour insert. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to put some snowflakes in this corner here. So using my Versamark, I'm also going to be using some Wow embossing powders. This is metallic silver sparkle embossing glitter, and this one is Wow, one of my favourite ones. This is metallic brass regular. So I'm going to stamp this in this corner here, making sure to apply an even pressure. And it looks like, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it looks like that. So let's move this out of the way, bring over my piece of paper, and I'm going to be using the silver on the snowflakes. So I'm going to tip some of the embossing powder over the snowflakes. I have used my anti-static cloth beforehand, so hopefully I won't get any embossing powder where it shouldn't be. So make sure that you do that. Okay, so that's lovely already. Okay, let's pour the excess back into its pot, and let's heat set this with my heat tool. Okay, so that's that done. I turned it over and put some heat on the back because obviously the paper tends to bow when you put heat onto it. Okay, so that's that. I'll put that to one side and give this a quick clean and dry it. And then I've got some, I've forgotten what it's called. Vellum. That's what it's called, Gareth. I have some vellum. And I'm going to use the stars, and I think I'm going to put the star banner in the silver again. So let's bring over my piece of paper. I apologise if my camera goes a bit funny, so let me put this in there so it gives it something to focus on, because sometimes when the screen is just white it goes a bit funny, so I'm hoping that doesn't happen. My battery died, crafters, but thankfully I heard it, and we didn't miss any steps. So I'm going to place this on here, and I want it to go kind of on and off of the vellum. You probably can't see the vellum against the white, but there we go. So it's right, hopefully you can see that. Let's move this out the way. We're going to use the silver again. Okay, now I'm going to be using the piece, and I'm going to be stamping over these stars. So bring over the Versamark again and the word peace, which I've already got mounted. I'm going to put that in just there. It slid a bit, so I'm hoping that's not going to muck it up too much, but that was my fault. Now I'm going to use the bronze. Okay, then I'm going to place this vellum over the front of the card like that. So making sure that my piece is where I want it to be, and then I'm going to fold over the edges. It's not quite straight, crafters, so And because this is the back, it doesn't matter about what glue you use, so I'm just going to use the art glitter glue. So the front of the card looks like that. Now let's put it on a card base. And there we have it, crafters. I think that's quite an elegant card. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please leave some comments in the comments section, and you never know, you may win a goodie bag. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me tomorrow for the last card in this week's series. Take care now. Bye bye.